Guys coming up to you in the club. Foot sec!
Let's party.
We're speaking English. You're all speaking American. Why Z? No way.
Why Z?
Z, yes. You ended off to the bank. Hey yo fam, welcome back to the channel. We're back with another video. I'm your boy Untitled and yo Sierra.
You're gonna teach me
Yes.
some African slang.
So guys, what we're doing today is we're teaching Sierra some African slang words. When you hear and when you come back, you can understand what people are saying.
And I'm gonna attempt to teach you American slang,
American
even though
slang.
I feel like you already know.
Yeah, the thing is like American or Western culture is very forced on us with the movies and alles, but yeah. So we know some stuff.
If I can get 3 that you don't know, then I win.
Then you win. Let's start with me. Okay, we'll start with the easy one. I don't know if you heard people say, how's it? I literally greeted a guy like just now and I said, how's it?
So that means how is it?
So how's it is like hello, hi, like it's just a greeting.
It means how is it?
No, we don't ask like how is it. It's just how is it.
How is it?
So like when you see someone on the street, how's it? Yeah,
Okay.
and I'll teach you another one afterwards. That's like you can add to that. Yeah. Okay, so let me do 2,
Okay.
and then you do 1. Next one is brew. Or yeah, brew. What do you think that means?
Coffee.
Brew.
Or bro?
Yeah, there you go. It basically means that. It means like brother, bro, dude, type of thing. So
how's it brewed?
how's it brew? Or you know, people more fancy.
Yeah.
May brew means like my brew.
Okay.
Yeah.
How's he may brew?
How's it brew? You sound French there.
Oh, how's it may brew?
Hey, there we go. That was dope. So like May, like we say May is because May in Afrikaans is like my same spelling,
Okay.
but like different pronunciation. Today when we go out for first Thursdays, we can greet everyone. How's it may brew?
So they can laugh at me. This is the easy one.
Oh, go for it.
It's finna.
Oh yeah.
No, see. Okay, let me do a different one. Kickback.
Kickback. Kickback means like chill, relax. There's always a kickback is like a party.
Okay.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
It's too easy.
I got another
Too
one.
easy.
I got another one.
Macholo.
Macholo.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Yeah. Macholo. It's spelled Mjolo. It's not an English word. Oh, it's not like it's like I think it's Zulu.
Is it something like eating?
No.
What?
It's Macholo's like your partner, like you're dating this person.
But is it like your official partner, or you're like, I'm just talking to this person?
Macholo is Macholo. Macholo is basically like someone someone you're talking to, someone you're dating.
Okay.
I don't think it's more marriage. It's just like someone that you date.
Like your girlfriend.
Girlfriend, boyfriend.
Okay.
Yeah. So there's 3 words that mean the same thing.
Okay.
And in different areas of South Africa.
Okay.
Right? So I'm from Durban, so Durban is like one
You're
word.
from Durban.
Yeah. I'm from India. I've come all the way from Mumbai just to film this video.
Why do you say phlegm?
Film?
Yeah.
We're filming like this. We're filming video for YouTube.
Why don't you say film?
No.
What's the difference between phlegm
Because
and film?
we're speaking English, you're all speaking American.
What's the next word?
So I said it means the same thing, but in like different areas. So there's 3 words in one. So first word, which is mochi.
Mochi.
Right? Second one is sticky.
Okay.
Right? And the last one is Betty.
Petty.
Betty with a B.
Betty.
Yeah.
And they all mean the same thing.
They all mean the same.
Sounds like ice cream.
Yeah, but it's not. I mean, it could be.
A snack?
It could be.
Dessert?
It could be. It's basically like someone's girlfriend. Guys are talking like, how's your sticky or how's your mochi? So there's like Afrikaner and Afrikaans. Afrikaner boots, like what they do is when they go to clubs and jewels in teacher jewels. Which I did tell you what a jewel is, right?
I don't remember. You probably did.
Anyways, when Afrikaner boots go to jewels and go to clubs and stuff, they like the main thing to say is like where the Betty's at. It could mean where the hoes at. You know, but it depends on context. But it just means like
the
a
girls.
female, yes, the girl.
You guys are more respectful.
The girls.
Okay.
It depends where you at. Me, I respect women.
Well, okay, so what's the word for guys? What if there is a group of girls who come into the club and want to know where the dudes are at?
We don't do that.
That's not fair. Why do we have a special word?
They didn't make up one.
I'm gonna make up a word. This is Chicago, specifically.
Okay. I watch movies.
This is Woo Wop the Bam.
Woo Wop the Bam. I know Woo Wop the YouTuber's nephew.
I don't even know if that was a YouTube person.
The kid that says, I want to kill my mom.
I don't know.
Kill my dad. You don't watch anything.
I don't.
It's coffee. It's cock. Anyways.
You guys said that word for everything.
Hmm?
You guys said that word for everything.
What?
Cock.
I'll teach you what it means just now after.
I know what it means.
What do you mean?
Like garbage.
How do you know?
Because you guys said that for everything. But it is the context.
Oh, when we had the movie night. Is that when you...
No, like
Oh,
when
you
I'm
speak
like,
to people.
yeah, I'm not a loner.
Okay.
Completely.
I don't know. Sometimes I just think she sits in her room waiting for something to happen, like crazy, like courtroom cases for no reason.
They're good. They're good.
Okay, what's Woo Up the Bam? Yeah, what does it mean?
So it's not a phrase that I use, but it's like when you're telling a story.
I wouldn't picture anyone using this ever.
Oh no, they use it.
Woo Up the Bam. No, it's too long.
I'm trying to see if I can
like
say
slang.
it fluently.
Slang is meant to be like shorter and
It
pretty
is
things.
no. It's like when you're telling a story and like you're giving.
Slang definition is short language.
That is you're not.
Woo Up the Bam. Okay.
You're not-
I'll speak.
It's basically a way to say blah 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 blah.
Oh yes, gak.
Garbage.
Gak is like it could be garbage, or like most of the time it means because sometimes people like I'm gonna take a gak. The movie was gak or this coffee is gak.
I don't know why you're drinking it.
Cause it's give.
Yeah,
Have you seen the energy that's coming on this video?
Oh.
Shout out coffee. Brew. And then there's another word you can use before that, which is like moose.
Okay.
Everything that means moose.
I'm trying to think of like what would you put in front of cock?
Yeah.
Like very.
That was moose gak.
Very.
Yeah. It's like.
Okay.
It's like either very or more.
But why moves?
It's Afrikaans. Guys, also while you're here and you made it this far, like the video, subscribe, do the things.
Thank you. You have to tell them your channel too.
Don't worry about that. Yeah, I'm on sabbatical.
I'll put it on the screen.
Oh.
Do you want better?
Wow, look at you. Being sweet.
Okay, this one.
She's never sweet to me, guys.
I'm always nice.
She's
I offered
lying.
to get you food.
But she didn't.
And noodles?
I asked her before I came, is there food? And then she was like, no, there's nothing here for you. Okay, you go.
Okay, the next one is on dirt.
Huh?
On dirt.
Repeat that please one more time.
On dirt.
On dirt.
D-I-R-T.
D-I-R-T.
Dirt.
On dirt. Use that in a sentence.
No, then you're gonna be able to get it.
On dirt. I would assume it's like gak.
No.
I don't think majority of people use it. I think like
Yeah.
5 people use that. It hasn't made the movies.
No.
Most people don't use it.
No. You
Please.
haven't been to the city yet. Okay. My sister said she was gonna call me later, but I already knew she was on dirt.
Because either she's lying or you knew that she's like flaky.
You got it.
Yeah.
Just
But like the
like
sentence.
lying.
The sentence.
But I still have to.
Yeah, you can have it. Because this isn't really a slang, but like it can be used in slang. So we say shame.
Yeah. For
Shame.
everything.
Shame.
Yeah.
Like, but the thing is, with shame, it's every sentence.
Yeah, it is.
Like, it could be like, yo, she's pretty shame.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
It doesn't mean a bad thing. It's just,
No. Yeah, but
it's
why?
just like, it's just, it is what it is. Like, we talked about the guy like for like 20, 30 minutes. And then like, oh, but he's a nice guy, shame. And then there's another one, yo.
Yo. Like yo.
No. It's just, you don't really use it in a sentence.
Is this like a filler word? Like a
Yo, that was crazy.
So it means yo. Basically.
No. Yo, like, yo, that was crazy. And then yo.
But it means the same thing.
No. Yo is like from shock.
Okay. Teed.
Teed.
You know what that means. They use it in all the songs.
Teed.
T''D. It has 2 meanings.
Teed. So I know teed, like golf, you put the,
Yeah.
that's teed, right? So I think it's a reference to that. You got teed. What does it mean?
It means like turned up.
That's so dumb, bro. That's so
Or it
dumb.
also means like very drunk.
That's so dumb.
Like I went to the party.
Like
got
I'm
super
so tea, bro, the
Yeah.
other day. No way.
Yeah.
We say sloshed.
Slush.
Sloshed.
Okay. Sloshed.
Yeah, dollar.
Like money.
No. So dollar is like, it has different meanings.
Make money. Let's make money.
It could be. So dollar means like, let's do.
Something.
Yeah, so let's do this. Like whatever it is. Like,
okay, like
we're gonna,
let's
we're gonna
do
fix
it.
the
Like,
car.
let's-
Okay, let's dollar. You ready to go? Let's dollar.
Okay.
Like that type of thing. But also like, could mean something else.
Like what?
It's a friendly channel. Yeah. Food sack.
Food set.
Food sack.
Like something you eat.
Guys coming up to you in the club. Food sack.
Let's party.
A guy you don't like is coming up to you. Food sack.
Let me holler.
The guy you don't like.
Yeah, the guys who I don't like come up to me in the club.
What do you say? I'm saying you telling them.
Oh, you
food
telling
sack.
them, sorry.
It's fine. You say food sack.
Get away.
Basically, it means like go away.
Food set.
Food sack.
Okay.
Like a lot of times it's used for dogs. So like we get a lot of like stray dogs and stuff. So like you don't know if that dog's gonna bite you or what. Every South African dog knows the word food sack. So the dog comes like food sack, and then but you have to like the accent.
I have to say with the accent.
Yeah.
I can't say
food sack.
Can't
No,
say
you can.
American.
They're just gonna laugh at you.
I did the food sack.
No, you
thing.
didn't do proper energy.
Food sack. Food sack.
Food sack. Last one. With energy, like
Food sack.
there we
Food
go.
sack.
Yes.
Okay, this one's easy.
Okay.
It's thirsty.
Thirsty. I thought this is a family friendly channel.
There's nothing wrong with that word.
Thirsty, like I want to drink some water. Thirsty.
The slang
No,
version.
thirsty is that man's down bad. Like she's simping over that guy because like she's down bad for that guy.
There's nothing bad about being thirsty. But you can be thirsty for anything. Like I was thirsty to buy that bag.
No.
Yes, you
no
can.
one uses that.
Yes,
No one uses it like that. That's crazy. Do you say I was thirsty to
I was
buy
super
that?
thirsty.
She's lying, bro.
What's the next one?
She's lying. Moi.
Moi.
Mooi. Moi.
Like me.
Could be. Oh, it means like the word mean. No. It's a description word.
Nice.
No.
You said it could be me.
You know,
I am very nice.
it's Afrikaans word, so it's not. People use it as slang, but it's a word. Eh?
Friendly.
It just means pretty.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Moi.
Moi. You know, like when the gents are talking. Oh, like they'll say gents, like instead of like you know how you have like steakies, mochis, and betties. Like they say gents.
So you guys get the nice words, and we get the words like hoes and.
We don't say hoes.
But it's the same thing. It's the same thing.
It's not, because all gents in South Africa are gentlemen. Heidi's. Heidi's, yeah.
Like this is fire.
No, Heidi's. Like I'm giving you like I would say Heidi's, bro. Heidi's.
Like how are these?
So Heidi's is like, oh, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, or like unlucky. It's more unlucky. Someone like fails a test. Heidi's, bro. She broke up with you. Heidi's, bro.
Okay.
Heidi's.
Hotties.
Yeah. Someone falls in the Heidi's, bro.
I'll be saying that to you a lot.
I don't fall. I mean, we did a shoot. I was helping us in 2004. Guys, me, all gentlemen.
A gent.
Yeah, gents. South African gents built different.
They look different.
We built different. Yeah.
Oh, built. I agree. With that.
Mm.
I agree with that. Okay, this is the last one.
Mm-hmm.
On phone and them.
Huh?
I thought you knew that one.
What did you say?
On phone and them.
Hun?
On phone and them.
You don't even say it like properly. That's the thing.
I don't, because I don't use
That's the thing. So
but no, it is on phone.
probably if she says it properly, I might understand.
On phone and them. Okay, on phone and M.
Oh yes, what does that mean?
That means like your close family and friends.
That's so dumb. That's so dumb.
But then when you say it more like a threat. Like on phone and I'm finna F you up or something.
Like on your mom or something.
Yeah.
So, next word or phrase is your master. Anything is like your master. It's like your mama, but like way worse. Like if you say that
Okay.
someone's like, we fighting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why would you teach me that?
Eh?
Why would you teach me that? Just in case somebody says it to me?
Yeah, let's
Sure.
go that. Let's go that. No, it's big in South African culture. Like especially in Cape Town, a lot of people say that. They won't even say like the full thing. They'll be like, "Yo, master."
Okay.
Yeah, like Cape Town colored people.
Okay, so color,
Also, we have colored.
which is a very bad word in the US.
That's their problem. Okay, we're in South Africa. So there's colored, right? Then there's mixed race. Okay.
Oh, mixed is different than color?
Yes, it's different. Mixed is basically white and black, basically most of the time, or like let's say for example, Indian and black, Indian white. Like it's
So
just
two things.
Two things.
Okay.
Colored, they have so much of they mix so much. So they have some Indian, they have some Swiss, they have some South African, which is like Khoisan people, which is like Khoisan is like a tribe. They're like Portuguese, but there's so much that they've mixed with.
Okay.
So you can't really say that I'm white or black or Indian because they mix so much.
Okay.
So we can't really say mixed race, it's just colored because there's so much of people and that's is a race itself. Okay, so N-I-E. It's not your knee. And there's also Ena. What do you think Ena is? Ena is more like ow.
But you hurt yourself.
Yeah.
How do you say
Ena.
Ena.
You stump your toe on the corner.
Ena.
Ena.
Do you want to say the word?
Ini. So it's Afrikaans as well. So
Ini.
Ni means like no.
Ah.
Yeah.
I think I
It's
heard
like
that.
ni man. Like no man.
Posy?
Posy. Yeah. P-O-Z-I.
Zet.
Is it Z?
Z.
No way. Z.
Zet.
It's Z.
It's Z.
American is not English. Like you guys need to understand. There's English, which comes from Great Britain, because they're English.
You guys say tomato sauce.
Right?
Tomato.
Tomato.
It's ketchup.
No, comes from the British. Them, okay?
They say Zet.
They say Z.
I didn't know that.
They say Z. Why Z? No ways.
Why Zet?
Z, yes. You ended off with a bang. Z. So,
What word were we?
Posy.
Oh,
Yes.
cozy. Like cozy.
Yeah.
No?
Like, I'll see you later, I'm going Posy.
Ghost.
No, okay, no. Or it's like, okay, are we going to my Posy or your Posy?
House.
Yeah,
Oh, I like that word.
house. Yeah, that's more Indian slang. That's it, aware. Use every like for every sentence,
Aware.
for anything, aware. Aware has different meanings. It's like universal in South Africa.
Like a hear me out?
I wouldn't say that. I was like, aware is like
Like imagine.
no.
No, okay.
Like, it could even be greeting. It could be like aware.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So aware, bro. I could be like, how's it? And then like aware, bro.
Okay, so it means good.
It could mean good. It could even be like, I'll see you later. However, like, I'll see you later.
Okay, so good and I'll see you later.
Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like,
Oh, yeah.
subscribe, you do all the things.
And follow Jared on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and I'll have it on the screen. Oh wait.
It could also mean peace. Like,
Okay,
however, we'll see you soon.